Hey everybody, my name is Laya and today we are going to chop all my hair off. I'm ready to get rid of it. Take it, take it! So I'm 33 years old and I'm the senior fashion editor here at Refinery29, and throughout the years I've changed my hair more times than I can even keep track of. They're always tied to something like really major that happens in my life. Like I'm graduating high school, I moved to another country, or the most normal one, which is I broke up with a boyfriend. I need to change my life immediately. And so I'm ready to chop all my hair off again and take it back to the pixie cut, the haircut that started it all. I need somebody to cut my hair because my DIY days are long behind me. Stylist, please. Oh, hello.
I'm Dina. I heard you were getting a pixie haircut today.
Yes, I am, and I would love it if you could do it.
Awesome.
Cool. So the first time I chopped all my hair off was when I was 13 years old, and that was because Gwen Stefani chopped all her hair off and I was obsessed with her. It looked crazy because Gwen Stefani had beautiful bleach blonde straight hair that was a little punky, and my hair was really curly and it looked like a microphone. And when I got to school the next day, all the kids called me Shampoodle, which was this toy that you would squeeze and foam would come out of its head, and I hated it. In the years since, I cut my hair, I dyed it different colors, I let it grow, I got bangs. During my last relationship, which was super tumultuous, I did so many changes in such a short amount of time. Where is it? Oh my God! Ah! After that relationship ended, then my experimentation with my hair ended too. And I'm just ready for something new. In a way, commemorating that everything's going great by chopping my hair off. Are you ready? I'm ready. Oh my God. Oh my God. I feel like I remember who this person was before.
All right, so what do you think?
I love it.
You look incredible. This is so good.
Thank you very much. I'm so excited.